Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a dash cam. So let's open the box. So I have ordered an ORSKEY S900 driving recorder, also known as a dash cam. Let's see what contents are in the box. User manual. Standard. LCD screen. For the front, what do they call it in the brochure? A car recorder. Then we have the charging cable, suction mount, USB charging cable, and included is a rear camera, and there's the cable in to connect that up. For this package, for the ORSKEY S900, which includes front and rear camera, all the cables, suction mount, and also included there should be an SD card. Yep. A 32 GB memory card was included. All this from Amazon for £35.26. What a bargain. Now let me tell you, I bought a top of the range dash cam from a well-known brand. It must have come to over £300, and I returned it because the footage was rubbish. So for £35, I'm not expecting miracles with images and footage that will be recorded, but you can't go wrong for the whole package at £35.26. So remember now to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.